Hello friends, now we are going to see that and also know about the information about the German universities. Here we have to consult that. Here I am writing the website www.dad.delhi international program. Select this website and open this page. By opening this page you can see this. Now we can, from this, do you have any course ID like power engineering? You can directly type power engineering, but you don't know about what are the specializations that you want to choose. Then you can go to the options like, if you are going to choose the masters, then click on the masters, and which field you are going to study, select the field. In field, here the business, economics. Now I am taking an example of engineering. Okay, now in engineering there are many streams like electrical, mechanical, civil. Now I am going to select electrical engineering. After that, in that below there is a course language. Which language are you going to prefer? English, German? I will taking an example like English language. And additional features like all these, just leave it if you don't know about that. Location, on which city you are going to study, just leave it that also. Just next institute, are you going to prefer particular institute? Then type the institute name like H in like RWTHCH in H. You can just add more institutes, but I am not preferring that. Next, duration. What is the course duration? Let's leave it that. And more. Winter semester, summer semester, and both of them. Just neglect that. And based upon the tuition fees, I am selecting none. On the criteria which I have given, these website will show based upon my electrical engineering. These are the specializations that are given in German with English language and also in master. None, tuition fees none, and winter semester. If you select only winter semester, only summer semester I am selecting, then the number of institutes will get reduced. On this basis you can select whatever institutes do you want and what the specializations you require. I am taking an example that I want to prefer, I'm doing the summer semester, and I want to prefer the top colleges like TUM, Technical, TECH, Technical Institute of Munich, TUM, and also for my RWTH, Aachen University. In this, I am preferring only these two universities. Then I can see that for my electrical engineering there is only communication engineering, electrical power engineering, and light master of sciences in neuro engineering, electric master of sciences in automotive engineering, and master of sciences in different colleges. Let us take an example of electrical power engineering. By opening this, by clicking on this, you can have the whole PDF of this college, and we can print it as PDF. These are the degree master of electrical engineering course. In the all the requirements that are deadlines, content, programs, all will get disappeared. Cost and funding, there is no tuition fee for this program. And requirements, for IELTS it should be 6.0, and academic purpose there should be required sufficient number of subjects. And also for GRE it's 151, and also verbal session 162. Okay, now you can download a whole this by clicking on this. Just neglect it. Now I am considering mechanical engineering, being the same program as masters, but the field of mechanical engineering. Then we can see that what are the courses that are appear in Technical Institute of Munich and Aachen University that are in mechanical, master of science in power engineering, that also can be done by mechanical engineers. That's what, friends. Based upon your criteria, you can select these, and you can have the what are the investor that to fill. Thank you, friends, for watching this.